Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about recording woodwinds and other types of instruments. With woodwinds, most sound radiates from the finger holes, not the bell. Aim a flat response microphone at the holes about a foot away or a third of a meter. To pick up something like a flute in a pop music group, try miking a few inches from the area between the mouthpiece and the first set of finger holes. You might need a pop filter also. You can reduce breath noise by rolling off the high frequencies or miking a bit further away. You can also try using a mini omnidirectional microphone a few inches above the body, between the mouthpiece and the finger holes. Now let's talk about harmonicas. You can use a cardioid dynamic microphone mic'd very close. If you use a condenser microphone about a foot away, you get a more natural sound though. For a more bluesy, dirty sound, use a bullet-type harmonica mic or play the harmonica through a mic'd guitar amp. Now let's talk about recording the accordion. Accordions have a lot of power. Mic an accordion about 6 to 12 inches from the sound holes near the keyboard and watch out for the player who might be moving around too much. Don't knock it. I have an accordion and I love it. It's an awesome instrument. And this concludes our tutorial about miking woodwinds and other miscellaneous instruments.